Registration of the system. Before you register your system, make sure you have an internet connection. We recommend to register your system immediately to ensure access to the full functionality and extended use. If not, your system automatically returns to the demo mode after 14 days. Nevertheless, no recorded data will be lost. To register your system, open your OccluSense iPad app, tap on menu item Settings, then choose Handheld Registration. Fill in the registration form. Please enter country, name, first name, street, zip code, city, and your email address. Tap the Register button to send your registration data. A confirmation email will be sent to your email address. Open the email and press the Confirm button. If your registration was successful, a green tick will be displayed. Your system is now registered.